In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow your favorite teams and players on SofaScore app. Very simple and easy. So all you need to do is just tap on your favorites. That's the traditional way you can do that, or you can search the player. So you can see search at the top right corner of your screen. After the live, you see a calendar and you see the search button there. Good. So let's come back here. And now you can see favorite here. So at the favorite section too, you are going to see the search button there behind the notification bell icon, delete notification bell icon. You can choose your team here. So for teams, you're going to get a lot of teams here, you see. So you just tap on the star behind it, Man City, I star it. So I can make some settings for notifications. If there is a goal, if there is anything on Man City, I'm going to get notifications here. So now I come back and let me add Liverpool by tapping on the star and I'm good to go. So, okay, you want some notifications, you can adjust that as well. I don't like any of them. Okay, Chelsea is normal, considerable. So now for the players, we move to athletes. Good. So if you don't find your preferred team or player here, all you need to do is search the player. So I see Yamal here. He's on fire now. So let me add him to the list. See Pedri, not bad. Haaland, not bad. Rodrigo, not bad. Bellingham, not bad. I'm a Madrid fan, so yeah. Rafinha, not bad. And this guy, this Madrid boy that left, not bad as well. And this France guy, not bad. Good. So let's say I want a player, but then I can't find the player here. So I have a player I like very much. So what's his name? Good. And you can see him here. So I add him and he's been added on the list. Very simple and easy. So that's it on how you add or follow players and teams on SofaScore. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.